Today's theme of our video is about healing, and there's no better place for healing than Ganghwa-do. Although Ganghwa Island is a part of Incheon City, it is near Kimpo City, which is separated from it by a narrow channel spanned by two bridges, and from Kaesong in North Korea by the main channel of the Han River. It offers some of the closest views in the south of North Korean villages, which can be seen on clear days from less than 2 kilometers. Malaki ang Ganghwa Island at marami rin silang mga tourist spots pero kung talagang gusto nyo mapuntan lahat, kulang ang isang araw. I would suggest 2 to 3 days. Tara, simulan na natin. Ang ating first stop is Yeonmi-jung Pavilion and Wolgotjin Fort. This is one of the most underrated places in South Korea where you can expect no tourists and a few locals enjoying this spot. Previously, Wolgotjin Fort was used for defense and to observe advances from foreign enemies from the sea. But today, this fort has been used as a popular spot amongst the locals for a picnic, educational field excursions, or to get a glimpse into North Korea. At the top of the pavilion, visitors can be treated to views of Gyeonggi-gun, Kimpo City, Paju City, and Gwanghae-do of North Korea on a clear day.
Oh, ganda mag-picture dito.
At dahil nga wala masyadong tao dito lagi, maganda talagang kumuha ng pictures. Ituloy ang pasyal natin sa iba pang historical places. Dito sa Ganghwa, maraming ganon. Sa dami ng pinasyalan at inikot natin, syempre nagutom kami. So, tara na at kakain muna tayo.
Mali yung ginagawa mo. Maraming pagagalitan ka. Bawal ilubog yung kutsara sa chopstick. Pangpatay lang yan.
Sa sobrang gutom na simot lahat ng ulam. Sa sobrang gutom na simot lahat ng pagkain. Hindi pa tayo tapos mamasyal. Pero gagawa na lang ako ng separate video about sa Luge and sa Spain Village. I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa video natin to and sa mga susunod pa nating mga videos. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye! Keep on watching Wandering Tiger.